We don't want you to lose spins. Yellow and red are paddling, but yellow gets the wave with priority. Sticks it on the nose. Gives it a little stylish look back and cuts back to the power section of the wave. Time remaining, you have 6:45 surfers, 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Okay, surfer in white, looking like having a problem with his board. Remember from the orientation, we need to be the one going to the beach to have a board change. Again, guys, be careful. Really shallow beach, right in front of the judges now. A quick board change for surfer in white. We still got
6 minutes.
We got 6 minutes. We still have a long time. But of course, having a broken board, having to paddle back in, loses the time. So let's see if he can get back there and get the score that he needs, surfer in white.
That's right, Bob. Surfer in white needs a 4.2 to advance. Currently has 5 waves already.
It is a risk going all the way to the shore with the rocks, and also it's now very shallow out there, so be careful. Not only boards but also fins. But out of the back, look at that. Oh, now this.
Red paddling and is up on the nose. Beautiful short style from surfer in red. Last 5 minutes, surfers. Last 5 minutes. Yellow flag is up. You have 5 minutes remaining, surfers. Surfer in red still sitting in the top spot, 11.50. Surfer in yellow is in second place, needing a 7.4 to grab first place. And Surfer in white still needs a 4.2. Let's see if Surfer in white can make up for lost time. Surfer in yellow is paddling with priority, but decides not to take it. Four minutes left, surfers, 4 minutes left. Surfer in red is up and riding on the nose once again, beating the white water, staying in the curve of the wave. Right behind him, surfer in yellow is taking the right. Gets that beautiful 5 and sticks it with a swirl arch. Minutes and 25 seconds remaining, surfers. 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Surfer in white's back out in the water. Hopefully he's fixed his board issue. He currently needs a 4.2 and is sitting in last place. Let's see if he can make up for a score. Plenty of time left. 3 minutes on the clock. Surfers, you have 3 minutes on the clock. Beautiful conditions out here in Heartbreak Reef. Sets are coming in and feeling so nicely, so beautifully. And 15 seconds remaining, surfers. 2 minutes and 15.
Competitive surfing is more than just a lifestyle, it's actually a job, and that's the way we need to approach it, and that's the way we did approach it. Since the announcement of surfing in the Olympics, amazing things have happened in our sport. 2022, we went aggressively into competition mode. We had 4 legs in 3 months, an international event in Siargao. We had our national event in Siargao, Falere, Borongan and Cabugao. We've put our focus on the youth. We have a caravan that goes around the Philippines. We go from province to province and train them and educate them on how to become Philippines' greatest surfers. We want to raise up athletes who will raise up gold for the Philippines. Without the support and love of NextGen, the next generation of surfers in the Philippines wouldn't be where they are today. Maraming salamat, NextGen, and we look forward to continually working with you.
Tapping that nose. Yellow is also up, but taking the right of Heartbreak, giving a little baby soul arch, putting in some style points for the judges. Surfer in white takes first priority. 12 minutes and 10 seconds remaining, surfers. You have 12 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Heat. Let's wait for all the scores to lock in. But Surfer in white, your first wave was a 3.0. Surfer in white, your first wave was a 3.0. Scores are in, surfers. Scores are in for your first wave. Yellow, you are currently in first place with a 5.0 on your first wave. Surfer in red, judges gave you a 3.85 on your first wave, and you're currently sitting in second. And Surfer in white, just needing a point of 0.86. And 10 seconds remaining, surfer. Surfer in white, you have first priority. Surfer in yellow, you have second priority, and followed by surfer in red and last priority. Surfer in yellow, you are currently in first place. Your first wave was a 5.0. Surfer in red is in second with 3.85, needing a 1.16 to take the first spot. Surfer in white, you have a 3.0 and currently sitting in last place. Plenty of time left, Surfers. 9 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in this heat. Heartbreak is waking up. Surfer in white in first priority. Looks like he's letting this wave pass. Surfer in red is paddling for the wave. Surfer in red is up. Runs to the nose and sticks a short 5. Cuts back. White is up with priority. Holds the nose with a 5. Squeezing in those style points with those beautiful cutbacks. Let's see what the judges will have to say about that. Eight minutes and 30 seconds remaining, Surfers. 8 minutes and 30 remaining. Surfer in yellow, you have first priority.